Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the Gedaye infrared thermometer. They did send this over for review, so let's get into it. This thing has two different modes, so it's obviously got a temperature probe. This can be placed into meat, and just to show you here, I'll set this upright. The bottom number is what's coming from the probe. So as I hold this, you can see the bottom number is raising very quickly. Or you also have the standard kind of laser thermometer. So my walls in here are about 74 degrees. Now I've got a little towel heater right here. So let's go ahead and open this and see how hot it is in there. So we can quickly shine our light in there. And you can see that that towel is about 160 degrees. And we can probably get further in there. And yeah, it's almost 200 degrees. So very, very cool. Super easy to use here. You got modes that you can change if you want to do different things like the average or stuff like that. But in general, you just want to do kind of the real life temperature. You can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius as well. And those are the main features of it. So I honestly just use this to check my meat. You can check the outside very quickly. And then I use that probe as well. Now let's talk about the downsides of the Gedaye infrared thermometer gun. This takes a D battery. So in today's day and age, basically everything should be USB-C rechargeable. And I can't get this open right here, but there's a D battery. Now, good for them, it does come with it, but you have to replace that, which costs money. So I'd like to see a USB-C instead. But overall, pretty dang good gun. Check it out.